Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this autumn card using the Celebration Tidings bundle that's part of the Plaid Tidings suite. So here are the supplies that I used. I used the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper. I just love this paper and it's on sale right now for 15% off. It's got all these fun patterns and designs that you can use for fall, Christmas, or even Valentine's Day. So it's great paper that's going to last you the whole season long. And I've chosen this cinnamon cider plaid paper here. So I'm just going to attach this to a white piece of cardstock. The white cardstock is really going to make my Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper pop. And to make it pop even more, I'm going to add some dimensionals on this layer. So I always add some on the sides, in the corners, in the middle. And it really gives the card some nice dimension and interest. All right, so we're just going to add this to the card. Now I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to emboss the sentiment and stamp the saying. So I'm going to start with stamping and coloring our pumpkins. So we've got this pumpkin and leaves. Pumpkins and leaves, I should say. Pumpkins, is there two? I'm going to stamp that towards the top of my label. And then I've got this cute little line with some more leaves that I'm going to do below. And I'm going to fit my sentiment in there in the middle. And then the fun part is I get to color. So I'm going to use Stampin' Blends. These are awesome. These are alcohol ink markers. And I always start with a dark. It comes with a dark and a light marker. And then I use the light marker to go back in and over the dark and blend in the two colors together. And then it gives it this nice blended look. So it looks like you've shaded it with some shadows and you've got some highlights on your pumpkin. So easy, so cool. We're going to do the same thing with all the leaves. I'm just going to add like this little dot of dark old olive to the leaves. Dark. Maybe a little bit more on the larger leaves. And then I'll come back with the light old olive and I will blend and fill in the rest of the leaves. So it's super easy. It's really fun to color in all of these and to see how beautiful it comes out when you're done. They're $9 for the pair. So they're only $4.50 each. But currently you can only purchase them in a pair. So I'm just going to finish coloring all these pretty leaves. And then I'm going to use a new in color, the cinnamon cider, to coordinate with the cinnamon cider. I'm just going to add the tiniest little bit of cinnamon cider to all these little, whoops, that's supposed to be green. Oh well, now it's going to be cinnamon cider. And then I'm going to come back with my let's see, cinnamon cider light, and go back over some of these little dots. Over here. There we go. And there we have our beautifully colored autumn piece right here. So now we're going to emboss our sentiment along here. I did a nice long strip right here. So I'm going to grab some Versamark and the white embossing powder. And I've got this Always Grateful stamp here from the stamp set that I'll show you. And I'm just going to do that right in the middle. Always Grateful. And then we'll get some embossing powder on it. Very nice. And then we'll move this aside. And Versamark 2. I will grab my heat tool. We'll heat this up and powder will melt and change and become solid and glossy. So you'll see that start to change. There we go. Sorry. Now I'm going to use the Banners Pick-a-Punch to do the little banners on either side. So I'm just going to trim this a little bit because this is a tiny bit too long. And then we'll go ahead and put this in. We'll see, it's still a little bit long. That's better. And on the other side, we need to cut off a lot. So I'll cut a little bit more. There we go. A little bit more from this side. Always trying to get it right. Okay, so now both of these are on dimensionals. So put some dimensionals on here. We'll put some on here. Then we'll just center this and center this. And then we have our autumn card. I'm offering a class which includes my autumn card and a Christmas card, as well as a Halloween treat bag topper with the bag. Treats not included though. For this Celebration Tidings bundle. Here's the bundle. So the stamp set has holidays, Halloween, fall, Christmas, and Valentine's. So you're really getting your money's worth here when you purchase this bundle. You're also getting these 5 stitched labels here, inside and out. And then it's also got cute dies to cut out the little spiders and the hearts and these cute little dots as well. So you can just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use this October hostess code to place your order. And I will send you this Celebration Tidings bundle card class or project class for free. Just send me an email and let me know that you would like this class. You can check out all my classes on my events page on my Facebook page, and that is facebook.com/elainescreations. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.